Hello Puppet fans! And welcome to this lecture. In this lab we will install Linux agents with a different OS and architecture than the master. In this lab we will be installing the Linux agents with a different OS and architecture than the master. And the purpose of doing this is we want to have different roles based on operating system so that we can use those roles in creating custom facts. So first try to install the Puppet agent on our RHEL6 node with curl command given in Puppet console. This command will work only if you have same OS and architecture. So when you will run this command on RHEL6 node you will get an error of the agent packages needed to support RHEL6 are not present on your master. To add them, I need to apply the p_repo platform RHEL6 to my master node. To verify, check your agent node release versions and your master release version, so both are different in architecture. To add the RHEL6 repo, go to classification. Next pmaster. Next go to configuration and add new class. p_repo platform L6_6_x86_64 and click on Add Class. You can check new class has been added, and there are other classes too for different OS like L7 and Windows. Now run Puppet agent -t to get the new changes. As a result of adding new RHEL6 repo, you can find the public directory also getting updated with RHEL6 Puppet agent packages. To access the public packages from Puppet, open URL https:// your Puppet master server IP or hostname :8140/packages/current. Once the agent run will be completed, you will find all the RHEL6 Puppet agent relevant packages has been downloaded in public folder. You can also check the system logs to know how RHEL6 repo was configured through Puppet. Now add a role for this node. Here I will assign a base RHEL6 role to this node, so go to your roles repo manifest directory. Here you can find only the RHEL7 related roles only, like Oracle, Tomcat, and base role, which we have created in previous lectures. So now we need to create a role for RHEL6, so create a directory RHEL6 and create a base class to add role entries as class roles:_RHEL6:base. Include profiles:/linux:base_RHEL6. Now click on Commit Changes to save the file. OK, so we created a base role for RHEL6 and now we have to create a profile to include in base role class. To create a base profile, go to your Profiles repo manifest directory and select OS, Linux, and create a base profile class for RHEL6. And add entries for classes or modules to include in base profile. Here I have copied the base_RHEL7 classes, as these are the base classes to include for all Linux-based servers. Now assign the RHEL6 base role to our RHEL6 node, which was created before in this lab. To assign a role, go to Higher a Data Nodes directory and create a YAML file with your hostname. And add entries roles:/RHEL6:base. Once done, click on Commit File to save the changes. Next, deploy the production environment again by running the command puppet code deploy production -wait. Once the command execution is successful, Try reinstalling the Puppet agent through curl command given in Puppet Master console. As this time we have added the RHEL6 supported Puppet agent packages in Puppet Master, so installation must be successful. So once the installation is completed, test the configuration by running the Puppet agent-t on your RHEL6 node. OK, so the catalog has been successfully applied for the RHEL6 base role and the node has been successfully added in Puppet Master as well, showing in console also. OK, so in this section we have configured RHEL node by adding the Puppet agent packages in Puppet Master for RHEL6, and in next lectures we will create a custom role for RHEL6 to use with other modules installation. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have time, feel free to move on to next lecture.